He oftentimes leaps to conclusions prior to leading.
Not here, pilot. Trust me. I wouldn't have risen to Dominar if I wasn't good at recognizing things before they happen.
You were deposed in a coup led by your own cousin.
Just be...
Christ, bro.
Move over there, go on. Come on, move. Come on, move. Get off the road. Gee, on, get off the road. Get off the road. You're a puppet. Get out the car, cunt. Move your car off the road. Get your car off the road.
Give me your license. Give me your license.
I was indicating to change lanes and you didn't see it.
So? I've been waiting down there for ages.
Oh, whoopee. Get your car off the road so there's traffic. Get over there.
I'm waiting for the cops.
Get over there. Get the cops.
Whoa! Granny!
How do you even know that?
There's no running. Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude,
I could have...
What the fuck?
Okay. Shh. Okay. Here, you talking about it?
Yeah, seriously, the last 50 times I've ordered through drive-thru and they have it correct on screen and repeat it back correctly, but then when I get my food, look at the ticket on the burger itself, it's correct. Drive all the way home and
Holy.
There. And that guy just turns left and goes into the tree. And come back. I think they stopped, but they didn't. They kept going, yeah. Oh well, just wanted to show you that.
Big front. So he definitely asked if I'm on.
Hey!
Leave it on me. This
by Kia America's Vice President of Marketing, Russell Walker. I tell you right, X-Line to a very deserving charity. No Kid Hungry.
Oh my god, are you okay?
The emergency call cannot be made.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
XAZ209. XAZ209.
Arrogance and dreaming big. Is it out now? Can we read it? Can we get into it now?
It drops Tuesday. It drops Tuesday. The book.
Roadrage left goes stolen by pass. Half court line. Bounce ahead. Parker Jr. shot blocked but foul. As we go to the under.